Okay, so next one we'll get into now is going to be the reverse lunge, all right? So we're going to do it with support and without support, okay? So there's two different ways we can do it. So I'd like you, if you can, is to use more of it like a wooden floor, so you can use your feet to slide, okay? The purpose of this is to be able to control the repetitions as much as you possibly can. So if you're a little bit kind of unstable, you've got knee pains or whatever it may be, then try to control the tempo through the speed at which you're doing it. Keep it nice and slow, nice and controlled all the way through. So the ways we can do this is, from there is standing with feet together, shoulder width apart, and then just slowly sliding one foot back, sliding back, keeping the weight in the front leg, reaching down to the foot, and then bringing it back into the top. And remember, you're trying to control the speed all the way, so it's just not like you're going down and coming back up again, right? Control that repetition all the way through. So let the foot slide back, keeping the weight in the front leg, and you're just slowly controlling it. Reach down to the foot, and then bringing it back under control all the way through. And again, now if you find that bit more of a struggle, then you can use the support. So from there, hand onto the step or any kind of stable platform, and then from there is just slowly then bringing yourself down. If your left leg's forward, use your right hand as the stability hand, and then bringing yourself back into the top, and then back down again. Nice and slow. Control the reps all the way through, and then bringing it back in, like so. Hit between 10 to 15 repetitions, and then change legs.